for the last 12 years. Let's see. All right, as far as the S&P, not quite all-time highs. We're jacking around. I bet we push up again tomorrow. Still bullish. Elon's net worth is $400 billion now. He should pay taxes. Just kidding, because I know how it actually works. I want to see that break. As far as the NASDAQ goes, send it. The most annoying part about this is, okay, so we'd sold off. This is Monday. Sold off Monday. I bought QQQ calls for yesterday and this Friday. Now, today they actually made up for the loss that I took yesterday. I kind of thought we'd have this dip or this push yesterday, which is why I did such a short expiration on those. So I took a 100% loss on those, which is, again, risking capital. They're either making me money or it goes to zero. So all part of the plan. I was kind of annoyed when I woke up a little bit late and saw we were just killing it. It just didn't feel the same that my other calls were up. I've covered it, right? So I'm up overall in the trade. Really annoying, though. I just needed to give it one more day. What sucks about options, you give yourself an expiration. I do think this continues up before it pulls back. If it does pull back, this would be the dip buy that I would buy a futures contract in. Am I gambling again? No, not yet. I really thought I was doing something there. We were right there in the zone. I was like, let's do this. Let's take that zone play. And then they just enough to jack with me. All right, let's talk about Grandpa Dow real quick. Grandpa Dow I did actually go along here at that zone. That did break. I'm about to do it again. And this is what I talked about earlier in the stream, where you can buy every one of these zones. I'm a knife catcher. This does not faze me in the slightest. But you can buy at every one of these zones, and it'll probably do a quick little bounce. Yeah, we'll hang out here. That's where I bought. You can see, and then it did just break down. It'll be like jumping out of a tree and hitting every branch on the way down. Hopefully one of them stops you, turns the thing around. You sold your QQQ calls today for 100%? Nice. Where would I suggest a person begins with a $500 account? Options, stocks, or definitely not options, despite what everyone will tell you. You could spend less, you could make more, you could kill it. What you'll end up doing, if you want, you could just PayPal me that $500. I'll come up with a cool story, and you just say it a lot in your head until you believe that that's what happened. Because that's what's going to happen. You'll just lose your $500. I'll tell you that right now. I have a 99% chance that I'm right. Start off slow. I literally started my account at 0 and posted every play. And I did that for the sole purpose, and you can even join in and watch, just to show people you need to trade at different phases of your account. Right now, it's over 10,000. But still, we're just now starting to kick it up as far as trading goes. But we had the money in there, and I just started buying just a couple shares at a time, and it is mind-numbing. But that snowball never gets started if you just burn it right from the beginning. Tesla 500 by end of December. Wouldn't surprise me at all. Yeah. You get the Santa rally. Tesla could hit 500 in a couple of days. But the volatility's back for sure. Anyway, back to being a knife catcher. I'm about to buy this again. I like the straightforward responses. Thank you for answering my questions. I'll have a few more next live. Perfect, man. That's the reason why I go live. One, I don't actually like editing. But two, it's so I don't have to sit there and talk to myself in front of a camera. I can talk to you guys. How long did it take me? It only take me to what? Grow the account? I just started at 0. It's at 15,000 now. It's been a year. Are we buying the Dow? All right, I'm in. I'm about to buy the Dow. I just want to check the Russell real quick. Hang on, since Cody's here, we got to talk about Google too. I do have to check out. I'm sure somebody called it out. Okay, Google got called out a couple of times tonight. I am going to go down my list real quick. Inside my group, we're just going to break it down all today for you guys. So this is what I do every night. yeah. So speaking of which, I suck at selling things. Sorry, guys. But yeah, if you buy the course on Teachable until Christmas, it's lifetime in Discord. But I am going to buy the Dow real quick. Give me 1 second. Do I think XRP will hit $3 by the new year? If it has a good day, it will. Yeah. Guys, it distracted me. Give me 1 second. I feel like I had a stroke. I could not even figure out where my app was. That's my bad. No sound detected. Look, I'm quiet for 2 seconds, and TikTok's like, no sound detected. Should we turn this thing off? Anyway, this is what I'm about to buy. Your lifetime or mine? It's as long as I'm here, and I'm never deleting that Discord, so it's going to be my lifetime. And I plan on living for a while. My high level income. I wish I knew the line from Talladega Nights. It's not crazy. I'm going to live 200-300 years. Sorry, not one of my regular. I need to add this. All right. YM. So I'm on the Z con. If you understand futures, that's what I'm at. All right, 44, 144 is my fill. Yeah, sorry guys, I was buying this right here. Matter of fact, I do need to adjust. I put my phone down like I just didn't have a stop in place. All right, so right now my stop is 438. Numbers are a little bit off. It's actually right below this green wick. Welcome to Prestige Worldwide. Why? Please don't give me copyright. All right, so I do have to break down RKLB.